for the past 3 weeks. A lot of issues about and they who see advertising a Juma say bia GRE and I say we and I say you be one nipa I was say Juma and people think say me baby etino ebia omope a reasonable education and I say understanding
on it
because they be omo for ba oh see na GRE for me can GRE for nipa it's a GRE for family it's an immigration for family so it's like we are engaging people to work. But who choir
you first to engage you
mesre all authorities or more because the norm that we has always been that openly you bank krata who do makasi so I say na afi wa apply and genes native fire and GRE fire and immigration fire and apart from police service matters or online and look online amount force how there are a lot of people who need that education from us intimate monje brain hu the entia and the employment opportunities in all government institutions it's like attention kanena enyano but almost all the spaces and the vacancies are filled through what means it may be very very worrying now so another worrying the school for the school feeding ni almost kasembia enkokokoma school no so no ayenwo and not monye bre some of the headmasters are really saying say ahochere kese pa beto so in terms of the management of the school and other matters the education minister is not far away from us sometimes I don't want us to speculate. I don't want us to do what others are doing. The reality here is that I'm not on top of the situation. Even though about 10 headmasters have drawn my attention to this situation, I cannot stand on what they have said to say, really, that is the situation at hand. But I can only draw my attention, say, Mondro sector minister, Mondro attention, say na Ɛkɔ Sɛn, say, sa na Ɛkɔ Sɛn dia. Any idea no muntu anamon because and even we have a challenge with our calendar. Calendar no. And same baby. So show man ko am fa so mo school. Me mano is a bar for many so. I don't know which one is which again. So what I say. Now me appeal to Greater Accra Regional Minister. And nama hodo aye we ko ye mu aye Ghana han say no. Ye ni nkoso. Me na no me kan we ko see say me say. And nam do na choba for the year adwuma no. Veterinary doctors been verify to check that those enama air no we kuimu enampa bia ye kusa enama hodo
abatwa hodo
yes ura shop nso I wanna they be because ono na wire mehu I wanna kofa milk tinner eno aso wafa on hwa sense so dey farm say expire
na baby
and the mentality of the Ghanaian I aspire cross here I aspire and cafe milk they say they the same thing sabi ye odienti e ka se aduane wo betima di sabre wi ekosi sabre wi Ghana function as any conscious because yare dodo na yare bebre ni avoidable but we take a lot of things for granted in Janope I'm cool because I want people to understand who I want to be thorough check because you catch yourself for 300 Ghana cedi the usual mantra Ghana ye di so no sa 300 na no odi ko twantuma ayituma ko wofa osiwa wadanfo pa bi no radiator safren ubenya 350 in fact ubegina so agene express because tell any beji 120 na material not on 300 the only problem
what pamache
my yache yes so the only problem but about pom de won sema obeya hwe kakra ma ye ankasa because here Ghana bin ko to a professor Samuel say you are too needed to be wasted
right
so what I say it yes yamma those little things no and na my area ko emu baby aye didi said ye ko ni pedua mu hwehwe mu nya very important to us
right
now finally
kwabran pacho be na masema wo kan ya enro na me tie Jerry Justice on ofie kwan so
right
and o show video bi na nipa bon fa do so kwabran kakoya kako se obi didi na pay a on fa nche me obi akoto kako na ben kwan si da so na obe ohoro ho na fe odi ato inquire no who say ahoma bi echechere ho wo sani kwamna video ni da Facebook on
okay we be sure bra Facebook na be share
wo sani ahoma no kwamna ekura
Jesus Christ
yes ekura and wu na watching on
Jesus Christ
and ya sheka konum
and there be and na ya chichi
seka kono
kako video na Facebook sisi ya
abusia bra Facebook na be hwe
video na Facebook sisi ya
Are you serious?
And with this, no, you know, Food and Drugs Authority ain't me bibia. Mesre, ye was ye ben sanko for no more yes, I would dissemble. Oh, we are mambo fool. And your job because no man, if you are not, you're if you're not careful about things that you take.
And that Facebook, no,
any beer will take it from her.
Are you serious?
You take a lot of things for granted. Eventually, no, how I bet him their brain pediano, enormous. You best say, you know, you nipa this are bonus same way. You can't see my boy.
Come on, and why I did be free and Katia, you know, animal,
you know, me say, in Chinchinga do dona, even no montation. Do we know the source of the meat?
Yeah, some
we don't. They read normal fruit and cocone and poncho moyarisa. Do dona. So we have a problem in this country. The mindset of the Ghanaian is gradually turning into black. Adebia black is a sumuum.
Adrian Bonnie.
Yes. It is also if you now your scheming is that tomatoes that identity that bibini creative kodwaso or no akwa bublushi or choba tomatoes na apron e gu for na air for no
no
ko dia be choba ma ni kojo fojo e didi kojo fojo so nim shi okwa na osan kwan na odem de
en kwan bia ye ne de
kwan bia ne de o me jani na so nti me sire the things that
we need more man come na sa champion chef no to man hine aduane wa me kasa wa man hine ko to man hine no gina jade na hwe ni apron
na unim se
aduane ben pa no ntimi nia
onim de nti onim bibia ye no we di house boy pe yo
so mesre me samo na pap if you dey shege media say achia so we have a beautiful country. So bia kase oye de sese oye woni kwan so ne pepepe ye so a o man Ghana no ye nya asofo a o mebu ye dichi. So acha se enko fa asofo bia okoko ni no nyomo tonton nyomo basa de man. Ye be back to the understanding that whether aban adwuma, whether one kaso adwuma, whether ankran adwuma no, if you do and you do it well, ubunyan susu so papa. And then emebunu so no, they should not dream extremely and overly big. Who are you? Utibia wumi, o petrasa could die at once. How can it be possible? How? Baby, who are you? I will say. Oh, move fast. I know, man. Please. Dako e nyame fiap fiap so da nyame e dako so be bacho ayu ato hana no no akọ boom dako na akọ trasako hey ene na kan ko bia so betra mission out because your chance dako no dia nyawe. What I want to say is that a member of today, they are jumping too much. Now you akwada na akwada ya wo nge you take your time. Akoda yes ne ho akika okoso no ado timi hare no ho nante ntem, but you take, it's a process. Life continues to be a process. If you jump one process, you have a problem.
So in short, trust the process.
You have to go to not trust the process. Go through it. We are yet here, we have the experience as broadcasters. We just didn't jump. Now multimedia no. If you have not gone through the process, multimedia will not give us this privilege. Say, you can't just from 0 one day one day. That mentality is to encourage us, but not to let us jump the queue. Nipa say na hospital ojina to line him near ina free to besia kodanim. It's because of your a certain privileged position. It must remember the rate at which they want to acquire certain things. Who so-called celebrities now. Omu live fake life now. Majority of them now. They think that it is easy out there. Omu rented down Eastleigh gone for 2 months and 3 months. No more pretending say omu fi omu sisi. Now who's what but damn now tiachire now ko pebi. Mesra go kumini pa dia. And the ehire nyina no na esika koko.
Tamna fa social media mame.
Enye de ehire nyina no na esika koko. Mesre we should channel our energies and our efforts as a mabunu. Nyal nyumbia ne to say we don't go do what is do do to nyuma no ya bre no ho na bre. Ya de ho aje no wa bre.
abrabɔ no wabɔ sɛn
deɛ na wayɛ no wabrɛ
wabɔ sɛn
deɛ pa wo na wo ka so wabrɛ no the times are tough deɛ na wo wayɛ nti a wo wabrɛ o titi kwankyɛn ya so wabrɛ de obi e ka so wabrɛ so ka so wabrɛ o so akɔ suku aba suku na nkasa no nya akwanya nya adwuma there are other little opportunities that me catch am for say one bread dey me bondin ana sa sugar me bo omudin there are opportunities around us obi antimi nya aba adwuma obi antimi meye keti adwuma bi there were other opportunities available to everybody enuntina Christo ka say oboye say
so
what does it tell you onyame say so be na bad. So please
say onyankopon onya kwadufo
da bi onyame say so be na ba na wo na nkasa wo ba na wadress shepe na wa hye wasum de na wabo waka wano ye ka say cotton ice cream ka oh problem with it but obi a ice cream ka beer shops ice cream shops me no nyina ye patronizing ye ka say cotton tomatoes a wo kasa kosi enkosi koda enkoda
cotton nkuto unton
me
obi a branding
nkuto yes me am tie me tonam uba na se me twitwa nam na me package nam na moja aye ye me ho no
kwabra ko
na me ma ayi o de ko ayi na mala ta ko abeka se as me preaching on church ko do han mu me church aduasa na e mu tiche mudu ko han watch us Christo be ba ko ese wa de sia
ko cha asa na be sorry no poko asi interchange ya na nsen ya ya pa won to
ya kan wa se body phone
wa mo je wafa
say let's appeal to Amasamai MC
pictures on Facebook says here.
Oh yeah, and I made them say, let's all join in this positive campaign. Now, yenyi sa mentality say, yen tuaba opamia, open tuaba could be. You bear what is right for the country. So who na idea who na yempese what is right. And then the diabetes champion, the one say me, when you more dread. Pokuasi interchange.
Mono say how pete.
Yeah, and no, I could say, yeah, we the crown. Asofo ni films ahodo aba for Friday almost so share so there from films
posters ade
me so yen charge obi because yan kata ni anka esiensi so ni antimi antu anamo ancorrect some of these things it will become
it will become join your Facebook page and that Facebook is here
business as usual so I said antimi damasi bro phone na so ma me cha phone na phone na so damasi e mo consulti
kwabra weekend ye bebe fie abedidi kwabra
I can't say I wanna yin chaso high pound na makoke kumuti nka
me amum de meti nka che okọ na office we
muzo mo kasa o mark mo
tourism for
no sector will give us the
na zombe ye
na mun
na zombe ye
o de wano don yore bi wo mo kasa o makoke kuri ni boss they say yem kasa o we want action
Mohammed Awal
yem kasa we want action
weekend we say then Ɛkɔ
asumsem say ya na etu aban bi guye no asumsem say ya Chairman Kuti what your mom ba be MPP chairmanship no Chairman Kuti
sa wa unity on
oh Chairman Kuti enti ana chairman papa a great account former regional minister
Ishmashidi
David
Ashiti Ishmashidi
ana mikro for me no
oh okay
Professor Ameya Kunfi
Ono so ba
ana the work 4 time chrome ni I also call in team yeah
oh okay
ana
abibi bi asamo my friend sample
asamo
Boatin
asabi so say
Edward Boatin
so ba
kana yen sia nem no na also ti we wa be no we okay wa be no we e be sia
na wa no kan what ya say
o say no waduru say wow we okan mo ye ma
DJ Hitman
we no okan mo ye ma 2 bottles of kebab no ana okan mo sa mana sua Trentino Tampico e nyina ni Tampico twam e be say excuse me, hello, Tampaiko, please. Or the Tampaiko, I didn't know guy be the one here in one Tampico. I said, Tampico was